So Ray came down today to spray some primer on so Brian can continue what he's doing.
You know how to primer something and really lay on a good coat. Well, you know, you've been doing that a lot. How many cars in your life do you think you painted? 1,000?
Oh my God.
More than 1,000 cars?
Since 82?
Wow.
When I started body.
I told Gail, I'm like, you know, we're very likely we're going to miss some spots.
That's okay. As much damage as she had.
And that's also the same thing. Same exact thing. Blocking that too. Yep. So Ray said there is a possibility that we're going to have to get another can of primer.
Okay.
Because I'm going to block the hood, and if I do it right and everything goes good, at least the hood will be absolutely mint and fresh. That's what I really want, Ray, is the hood to be nice. I don't know, man. I mean, you're feeling it.
Brian is wet sanding the car and doing a fantastic job.
Yeah, there's gonna be some places in the hood.
Yeah, I can see the hood.
Yeah, there's just no getting around. This is like pro level shit right here. And I ain't a pro.
No.
Ray said 12 hours for a pro to fix this. Well, I got that in it, and I don't.
Yeah.
It definitely shows that I am not pro. It's just such a bad piece of metal. It's just
Right.
nothing you can do about it.
No.
I'm not reskinning it. And
No. It's part of who she is.
it's just...
Yep.
Well, the nice thing, though, is a lot of it will be gone.
Mm-hmm.
But you're still going to see some stuff. It's
Yep.
just...
That's okay. I applaud your effort, Brian. I do.
know, it's just...
I'm
Well,
extremely
I wanna do
grateful.
the best job I can for you, but
I know, and I
know.
greatly appreciate that.
you're dating a mechanic and a watchmaker, not a body guy.
I know, it's okay.
But it'll look pretty jazzy.
It will.
Certainly better than it was.
Oh, yeah, no question.
Oh man.
It's close.
Well, now we start cleaning.
Yep.
Last time we were here, we were in a junkyard.
That's right, we were in the junkyard.
Oh man. Taking off your golden door.
That's right.
Alright, this door's going to be loose, so we have to lift. I'm taking the bottom one out, so you don't have to just support it, because we're going to walk it right off when I take this other bolt out.
Okay.
You got it?
I got it.
There you guys light. That one's light. And that's that, folks. There's the doors off. Alright. Is the camera in view for the trunk lid too? Or do you got to move it over? I'm sure people are going to be so excited to see two people in Pennsylvania restoring an antique Korean car, you know?
Yeah, right, I know. It's all right, we are.
You know, this is gonna make us famous. This is where we're gonna rise to the top, and then we'll start buying all these expensive cars and bigger shops, and
Yep.
you know, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn into the country's premier Elantra center. So this is gonna be like a graveyard cars place where we just do Elantras all day because everybody keeps sending them to us
Yeah, right.
because they know that, you know, we're the premier restoration specialists. We know,
Yeah,
you
we know what we're doing.
we can tell you where the car was built. We can tell you what day it was. We've even had some surprises coming up on numbers matching parts by the month. All right, Gail, you have to come over here and hold this. We're going to walk it right up and over, so don't want to hit the window. Just think, a couple weeks ago we were here taking the trunk lid off. It's sitting over there and edged, ready to go. I'm almost out.
Okay.
All our wires are disconnected, looks like. Ready?
I'm ready.
Walk it right up and over. There it is. All right.
Again,
I said, look how clean your back glass is.
I'm gonna make my way around there. She's looking really spiffy.
Yeah, I know, and it's not even painted. But
I know.
that's it. Back window's pretty
A
clean.
lot of work has been done the last few days, that's for sure. Look at that.
I know.
I can smell the clean.
Yeah, right. That's how much clean we got going on here.
I know.
Probably start masking it tomorrow
Okay.
because I don't know, it's getting too late.
Yeah, it is. Oh, she's looking great.
All right, here's Gail's minty edge trunklet. So you're going to take that side.
Okay.
And I'm going to take this side. We're going to flip it this way.
Okay.
I'm going to give you 2 bolts.
Okay.
See if I can push through my other pocket here. All right, so I'm going to give you 2 afterwards. All right, so we're going to lock it up and over. Very carefully. See the holes in the trunk lid? You're going to hold it and start and thread one in.
Yeah, I don't have a hand to thread one in.
All right, well then I'll do it. But you just hold it, lift it up a little bit. You can't cross thread these, you'll be in deep trouble. Nice.
They're in this pocket.
This pocket.
Yes.
What's nice is this is already lined up pretty much.
Yeah.
We'll line that one up next.
Okay.
I think this one was already adjusted. We adjusted the other
Yes,
one.
we did.
We might have to do it with this one too. All right, so here it is. Stay erect. Gotta make sure it doesn't hit the body over there as it comes down. Lift it up a little bit. Right there. Okay.
Lines up.
I'd almost say that's a winner.
I think so too.
Look at that,
Both sides look good.
Yeah, they do actually.
I think it's where we want it.
It's funny because the way it lined up, after we adjusted the other one just to see if we could do it, we didn't know if it was the hinge was bent because the woman must have closed the trunk on something and then it bopped it out of way.
Bent the hinge.
Yeah, well, it didn't bend it. It just for some reason it might have slightly,
Yeah.
but there was enough adjustment here.
Look at that.
How's that alignment look to you?
Looks good.
There's gonna be a tail light in there. Yeah, it does. That's pretty good.
Yep. Looks good.
Yeah, I mean that's about. I don't know. That's probably about on par with the way it was before.
Yeah.
It just flares out just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Hot dog, huh?
Super. Well, we got a trunk.
There's a trunk lid on it. Now we're gonna go hang a door.
All right.
We didn't put the wang on it yet, though. We're gonna. The wang's going on.
Yeah, I know.
Can't wait to put that to do that. All right. Boy, it's light with nothing in it. It feels like nothing. All right. I need you to take up this back of it.
Okay, I'm gonna let go of that end.
I actually wanted this door open.
Oh.
Can you, will it stay open or do we need to kick something there?
No, can you hold the door a second?
Actually, no, we could probably do it. Just, you hold, I'm steadying it on my leg. All right, you got to turn it this way. Pull it out a little bit. Right there. Try closing it a little bit.
No, let go of it.
All right, let's try closing it.
Okay.
Where that sun is blinding me.
I know.
How's that body line look there? It looks pretty good.
Pretty good, yeah.
So then close that one. And then let's look down the lane here and see. Alright, what is it? Alright. That looks sweet home
Yes, it does.
Alabama
I was
right
gonna
there.
say, I could see from that side it looks good.
Keep it up a little bit.
Do you need to hold something?
Let me just snug them up
Okay.
and see where they end up. I could tell when it went over the catch, the latch, This actually makes it a lot easier to do this because it's not closing, but I'd like it to close. But I'll tell you what though, the rest of it looks really neat. How about this gap here? You gotta look at the width of it too.
Yeah.
And then let's look at the other side. The end of the door might have to be kicked forward a little bit. I don't know. Chris, the sun is blinding me. And see, it's sticking out a little bit here. Of course, it's not latched either.
Right.
When it is latched, though, see this door is sticking out. You see that right here at the top?
I do see that.
So I might have to try to kick the door in a little bit from the top.
Okay.
Let's just try it.
Okay.
It sticks out slightly. Just slightly. See that? Shoot. Well, I'll tell you what, the rest of it though lines up pretty good.
Yeah, it looks good.
Well, the thing is, we'll probably have to make like little adjustments.
Okay.
I don't know why that's kicked that way. Was that door closed in a junkyard? Do you remember if it was closed? But we never checked to see how it would lined up here. To see that, look.
Yeah, I know. I
That
can see
kind of
it.
sucks, actually. Not much, but it is moved in a little bit.
Well, there's not a whole lot we can do about that now.
Well, I don't know, maybe. I mean, I don't think that's bent.
No.
Now it's centered over the latch.
So it's where it's supposed to be.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's just sticking out right here. That's not what we want. Oh, you know what?
What?
The door seal.
Oh.
I mean, that's approximately where it'll be when it's closed. You see that little bit of gap there?
Yeah.
And it's just at the top.
Right.
Someone could have grabbed it.
Right.
Could have pulled it slightly and bent it. So what we'll have to do is, what me and Ray will do is I'll put my knee here and we'll just give it a little yook-see.
Okay.
Then you got this gap. See, then there's a gap behind here. See the gap here?
I do.
Yeah, same thing.
Yeah. Well, we got a door.
This one actually, yeah.
We got a
You
door.
know what it is where I'm getting very like.
You're getting picky.
Well, you know what I mean, because this is the time.
I know.
This is the time to do this stuff. Before it's painted. You don't want to be monkeying around trying to.
Nope.
Get everything lined up.
Right.
It is actually there. It's sticking out a little bit. Yep. So I'm not sure. Maybe what we can do is loosen it.
Well, it's still better than the door that was on it.
Yeah, for sure.
Definitely.
I mean, when it closes, it's going to be fantastic. But
Yes.
this one little spot right here.
Yep.